I'm going to use a few of these eye candy pigments. So I have Okinawa blue. It's like a shimmery light turquoise color. So I have here a chart of some of the ones that I had mixed up recently. I put on a piece of paper. So today we're going to be using this Okinawa blue as one of them. And I mixed these all with liquitex gloss medium first to suspend. And then I add in just floetrol and then a little bit of the gloss medium and varnish if it's necessary. So it's a little bit muted when I use this formula because it, gets rid of the shine a little bit. You can see on this lid. But I went ahead and put on the high gloss varnish, which is what I use anyway. So you can see with just floetrol and the liquitex gloss medium, it's still very shiny. You can see how sparkly each one of these is, I hope. So if that's all you have, that works fine, and that's what I've been doing, not knowing any better for over a year now. Before I knew anything about pigments, I've been using them this way with just floetrol even. So one of the colors today that I'm going to use is this Persian purple, which you've seen me use in several videos before. It's one of my favorites. It's like a purpley blue. So on this one, I had some already made up, but I needed to make a little bit more. So Michelle from Grateful Creations has a recipe for making a formula out of like GAC and some Bear paint so that it maintains the clarity and sparkliness. So you can see hers on the right. It's definitely clearer and more depth. On the left is my floetrol and gloss medium one that I also varnished, so you can see. So you don't have to use the fancier one, but you can. Like I do in my blooms, it comes out really sparkly. But you can still get a lot of that back by just using the floetrol. So I wanted to show you that in case that the more expensive components aren't really an option for you.